Hi, thank you for joining me on my study of dreaming. Have you ever woken up and know that you have dreamt but cannot recall the dream? Well, according to William Dement and Nathaniel Kleitman, individuals are more likely to recall a dream that occurs during the fourth stage of sleep, also known as REM sleep. More than 80% of dreams occur during REM sleep and are usually considered to be vivid in nature, narrative like, and bizarre. The frequency of dream recall is more apparent later in the night during REM sleep rather than in the earlier hours of the night during sleep. I decided to put this information to the test. For 2 consecutive nights, I used the method of forced awakenings in order to record my dreams and test my dream recall. I replicated the study of William Dement and Nathaniel Kleitman, in which I woke myself up throughout the night every 90 minutes, consistent with the amount of time for each sleep cycle. Maintaining the same bedtime, midpoint, and wake time, I set 4 alarms in order to wake myself up during the night. The first one was set at 2 a.m., the second at 3:30 a.m., the third at 5 a.m., and the fourth at 6:30 a.m. I used the Voice Memos app in order to record my dreams after I was awoken. The results are consistent with Dement and Kleitman's 1957 study, where it was shown that over the course of 2 consecutive nights, I had a higher dream recall frequency in the later hours of the night, specifically after being awoken from my last 2 alarms. In addition, I put a personal spin on the Dement and Kleitman dream recall study. I wanted to see if watching a specific genre of TV would influence the content of my dreams. This would coincide with the continuity hypothesis, which suggests that the content of dreams is largely continuous with waking life experiences. The method of choice for this part of my experiment was before bedtime, I would watch a movie that falls under the suspense genre for at least 90 minutes, only on the second night of my experiment in order to compare it to the first night of my experiment, which included 0 minutes of TV before bed. I decided to watch the movie Geostorm, which was about a satellite network designed to control the weather on Earth but ends up backfiring and causing a series of deadly disasters led by a massive geostorm. This part of my experiment supported the continuity hypothesis of dreaming, and I have included one of my dreams from that night.
I was in the car with Dad, Ryan, and Sam. We were driving through downtown, and downtown was attached, or there was like a body of water on the other side of downtown. And I just remember looking over and seeing tornadoes forming in the water and coming towards the city. And I was scared and in shock because I'd never seen a tornado before.
Although studying dreaming can be considered as a methodological minefield, the results of my study were significant and supported not only the Dement and Kleitman dream recall study, but also the continuity hypothesis of dreaming. Further research would need to incorporate different genres of TV before bedtime to see if the resulting dream content would continue to support the continuity hypothesis of dreaming. Thank you for joining me on my study of dreaming.